All right, let's get straight into this. No mucking around. We've got 5 more minutes into the open. So, what I'm going to be looking at for the buy position, and
Screen's
originally
not up.
the screen. All right, one
Whoa, whoa,
second.
whoa.
Yep, yep, yep.
Not up, mate.
All right, hang on a sec. Cool, 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 cool. All good.
Wait.
Yeah, you know what? I've got too many screens open. I'm going to have to close them all off. All right. So originally, what I was looking at for the buy position was going off this level here, but now that we've created this new level of resistance here, and we're moving down, I'm going to bring this down lower. I will potentially be looking at that zone or this zone here. Probably that zone because on this level here, we've got this wick. Then we've come down. We've gone back up, respected that wick perfectly bang on, and then got a reaction off that. So I'm going to go off that wick because that's a stronger level to me than the one below it. Okay, so that's where I'm going to go put the buy position today. I'm happy with that. Now we do have this level here, which is right on it. But again, we rely on volume to come into the market. So if we can get volume in the market, we should be able to get a decent push, hopefully past that. There's not too much behind at this level here. So yep, I'm going to lock that in the buy position. The sell position, I might have to wait another couple of minutes. If this candle here continues down bearish, we'll be looking at going down around this zone, potentially. If this candle starts heading bullish, then we'll look at potentially going at the bottom of that level there. So I might just hold off on that for a minute. Maybe something like that. Maybe something like that. Or here. I'm just going to wait, see what this next candle does in the next 3 minutes, but I'm locking this buy position in now. Let's lock that in. Three, 5, 8.
Stop loss on the buy, man.
Yeah, 1 second. 1 second, man. Stop loss is going to be 3342.25.
Yep. Sweet.
Cool. Second. What are we looking at here? What's going on? 2 more minutes. Cool. All right, so I've got the buy locked in. I'm just going to wait to see what this this candle does. If this candle continues up, we may go a little bit aggressive on that entry, and we may do something like this. So I'm just going to wait to see what this candle decides to do. If it stays where it is right now, we'll go a little bit more conservative. We'll go to a level below it. We'll do something like that. Yeah. We'll wait 40 more seconds. In the last minute, it looks like it's going to be staying in that zone. So if it does, we'll go to this level here. I'm happy with that level. We do have these little wicks on the side here to be cautious of. Let's see how we go. Yeah, I'm locking that in. I'm going to lock that sell in like that.
Sweet.
Yep. 33826.
Entry. Stop loss.
Yep. Hang on a sec. It is 333960.
Sweet.
Cool, cool, cool. All right, let's go. 3, 2. All right, we're on. We are on. Yesterday was really good, man. We'll see how this goes. We'll wait for the first 5 minutes. If it doesn't break to the downside or upside, we'll go back and look at yesterday's trade. Yeah, but yesterday was really good. Both sessions, both Tokyo and London session. Absolutely smashed it yesterday. See what this wants to do. I do like this level here too as well. Damn it. See how it's created that new level of resistance there, right here.
Yeah.
I actually really like that level. It's a really good level. What to do. That's all right, we'll leave it. We'll stay conservative. Today, I won't go too aggressive. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to open up Trading View on another screen so I can see when we hit. I'm going to go back and show you yesterday. We'll go through yesterday's trades. Cool. We'll come back to this one. So we'll go Tokyo session. So we took 2 positions yesterday on the Tokyo session. The first one was a little bit higher. We went a little bit aggressive at the bottom of this candle here. We just got stopped out. And then because we fulfilled this imbalance here, we just tapped that imbalance and continued down. That was enough, gave me enough confidence to re-enter that trade. So then we re-entered the trade and it ended up going for a TP5. So that was a massive win for yesterday on the Tokyo session. And then what we done on the London session, we traded. So every Tuesday and Thursday, we trade the London session. We may look at doing that a little bit more often. But we'll work it out. We'll see how we go. So pretty much.
Yeah, keep it as it is.
Yeah, we'll keep it as for now, and then just see how we go. I reckon.
Wait.
Yeah, good idea. Yep. But we got this breakout. Literally went off this level here, all the way back here because it was moving. It was moving quite aggressively. I didn't want to go to the bottom of this candle because on the London sessions, if you go too close, you're more prone to get fake outs because there's so much volume comes in the market and it moves very quickly, not like the Tokyo session. So we went from this level back here and mate, literally on the first 5-minute candle, it just didn't stop. It just went, bang. So we validated a TP5 in the first 5 minutes on the open, which was awesome. So yesterday, man, a really, really profitable day. A very good day in the markets yesterday. It's what we like to see. It's what we want. So with the Tokyo session, it always is a lot slower. But the reason why I like it, and the reason why I like it a little bit more slower and conservative, is because you don't get faked out as often. So when you're trading in a slower market, yes, you got to wait longer, and it might not hit a trade for like 25, 30 minutes, but you're not getting those aggressive fake out moves like you do in the London session, and mainly the New York session's even crazier. So this is why I like trading the Tokyo session. It's just a little bit more chilled, a bit more laid back. You know, when we do break these levels, we usually do at least validate a TP1, where, you know, in the London session or New York session, the candle will come up aggressively, might enter you and then stop you out within 2 seconds, and then you got to quickly try and decide whether you're going to re-enter or do you leave the sell open. So there's a lot happening. There's a lot happening when you trade in the London and New York sessions, but rather than with the Tokyo, it's just pretty relaxed. So I don't mind it. I don't mind a bit of both, to be honest with you. So you're on the call. You getting ready to leave? A few more days.
Monday, mate.
Cool. Am I admin?
Monday morning.
Am I an admin on this or?
You know what, mate?
Don't know.
So you are. But I fucking.
Oh well, let's try and work that out before you leave, huh?
Yeah.
We'll try and work.
I'll see you.
Yeah, cool. So if there's anyone, actually, we might wait on that. Let me have a look. Hang on a sec.
Tell you something trippy though. I don't know if they're going to be there soon. I don't know when, but they're bringing out a new game in Vegas, tables.
Yeah.
Fucking Uno.
Really?
They're adding Uno to casinos.
That's insane, man. That's funny. That's funny.
What?
Why not, hey? Why not? Yeah, I'm sure they've made it a little bit different to benefit the casino.
Oh yeah, mate. Yeah.
100%. Give me 1 sec. Hang on a second. Yeah, so if there's any with when it comes to trading with brokers in Australia, with Australian laws, we can only get 1 to 30 leverage with a broker, with a prop firm broker. But if you trade with Bybit, because Bybit aren't a broker, because they deal with crypto and stuff, you can actually trade gold with Bybit. I've put a link in the how to start trading with us. So if anyone wanted to start trading and they're an Australian resident and they want to get the 1 to 500 leverage, you can trade with Bybit. So if you go into the how to start trading with us section in the Discord, I've put a link there for Bybit. And yeah, you can sign up to them and it gives you and trade 1 to 500 leverage, which is good because it gives you the opportunity to grow small accounts. So if you got 1 to 500 leverage and you can chuck $100 in that and you can risk $5 per trade. For example, I think it's even more. I think you can risk like 10%, like $10 a trade or something like that. Where if you're with a broker, and you're an Australian resident, you can only get 1 to 30 leverage. So, with $100 account, you might only be able to risk $2 or something, $1 or $2 per trade. So there's a huge difference. So it's a really good opportunity if you've got a small account and want to try and grow a small account. You can risk a little bit more. So I've put the link in there how to start trading with us if anyone ever wants to go down that path to be able to get the 1 to 500 leverage. Come on. So let me know if you can hear this through the phone, just to kill some quietness. Hang on a sec. Can you hear that through the mic hustle or not?
Yeah, no, it doesn't sound right.
No. Damn. Oh well, just gotta deal with the silence.
I don't know, mate.
All good, all good, all good.
You just fucking sing.
Yeah, I will, mate. I might. Bit tired today though, for some reason. Tired, man. Tired today. Hey.
I woke up feeling like shit.
Yeah.
XRP hit fucking $5 or something.
I don't want to know, dude. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't know, man.
Yeah.
I'm disappearing from all that shit now and just focusing on this.
Yeah.
Don't even want to know, man. Listen, I've stopped following everyone. I've stopped everything. I'm just like, I'm out. I'm fully out of everything now. So I just don't want to know.
Yeah.
Because it is going to annoy me, but that's all right. Whatever. Whatever. You can't win them all, can you?
Oh.
You can't win them all. Come on. Slow start again. Very slow start again. Friday, yeah. Look,
Busy tonight?
no.
Busy for the UK tonight, or
Oh yeah, we can jump on the UK, yeah. Yeah, we can do that.
we can check it out.
Yeah,
See how we go this morning.
yeah, sweet man. Yeah. If we take a win this morning, I won't bother. But if we get faked out this morning, then yeah, I'll definitely look at it. I'm so tempted, dude. I'm so tempted to come off this level because we've respected it again. I'm very tempted to come off that level, but we'll see. We will see. I do like it better than this one, the one that we got off. Let me see what it looks like. Same thing. What I'm just looking at is where the entry point is. So on that, if we enter, it's going to enter us right on this level here, which we could get a reaction from. So it could come up, break that level, enter us, and then react. Right? But then on the other position, it's the exact same setup. Look at that. So we've got that level there. So it's literally exactly the same. You can come up, break this level, enter us, and react from there. So both of them are pretty risky, but that's all good. So I might just leave it. The same scenario. If this level here didn't have another level, so for example, if that level there didn't have another level until up here, so if that was the next level there, then I'd move that trade. I'd move it down because we've got all that room to move. But because it's pretty much identical, I'm not going to bother. I didn't even put a live thing. That's all right. Doesn't matter. What's that? 15 minutes in? Why does this alarm keep going off? Damn, son. when you go to Vegas hustle,
Yeah,
when you go to Vegas, or you can do it in Europe, but when you get there, mate, there's the
yeah,
they got the smoke shops there, like the weed shops.
yeah.
And
Oh, mate, I know that.
and you walk in there and it's like you're at a doctor's clinic. Like they sit you down with someone. They're like,
Yeah.
what are you looking for? What do you want
Mm.
to achieve? What kind of high do you like? Do you want a happy one? Do you
Yeah,
want to, you know what I mean?
dude, there's a bar there, so I'll look into that shit. But I'm going to jump off the plane.
Yep.
I'm going straight to Compton, and there's a joint in Compton,
Yep.
and it's like it ain't no doctor's fucking dispensary.
Yeah, yeah, 100%. Yeah.
So that's where I want to go. I don't want to go to the doctor dispensaries and all pretty and proper. I want to go to the Compton one where it's just like, you know.
Yeah, 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 true.
So
We got purple haze, we got blue haze, green haze, yellow curl.
I'm going to the Compton one. And I'm actually going to the Compton one. I'm going to Nipsey Hustle store to get some
Oh, yeah.
clothing.
Oh, nice.
Then
Nice.
straight to Vegas. Yeah, so
That's cool, man. Yeah, me and my mate
should
done
be
it.
cool.
Me and my mate done it. Went to the one in Vegas, and they're like, you know, what he's looking for. And we're like, oh, we just want to laugh. You know, we just want to have a good time. We just want to laugh and have a good time.
Yeah.
And they're like, okay, cool. Here's these gummies, and they'll bet they're gummies. Yeah, I'm like, yep, just take these. And they're like, they said, just take a quarter, right? See
Yeah.
how you are in an hour,
Yeah.
and then take another quarter. And we're like, yeah, cool, no worries. And we
Yeah.
walk out, and we're like, fuck that, mate. Let's just have one each. Fuck it. So we just had a whole one. And we were just walking, man. We're walking. I'm like, oh, we'll go sit in a bar. We'll go have a beer. And we'll, you know. So we went and sat at a bar. We went and sat at the actual bar, like on the bar, like sat at the bar.
Yeah, that was this fucking stupid idea.
Mate, they had like the baseball on, and we're staring at the screen, and then like all of a sudden it was just dead silent, like dead silent. We both just went quiet at the same time, just complete silence. And then I look over at my mate. He looks at me, and we fucking lost it. Hysterical. Couldn't breathe. Like could not breathe. Sitting at this bar crying and shit, crying. And then we're like, what the fuck? Like losing it. And then the bar people must have known we'll fuck up. So they brought us menus. They go, you guys hungry? You just want to eat? And we're like, yeah, cool. So we started ordering shit, and then like within about a minute, we just went dead silent. Was staring at the baseball again, just for like 5 minutes in a zone. And then again, same thing. We looked over at each other and just lost it, man. We couldn't talk. We couldn't talk for about an hour.
Fucking cool. Was the sphere there when you were there?
No, it wasn't. No, the sphere wasn't there. No.
Mate, this thing looks fucking insane. Like I've been watching people's live streams,
Yeah.
and at night this thing, looks nuts, man. And so yeah, there's I'm gonna get in LA before I go as well. I'm gonna get those Joe Rogan gummies.
Yep.
It's 4 grams of mushroom, so 1 gram in each gummy.
That's insane, man. That's insane.
Mate,
Hero's
there's
journey.
this big corner. This dude sits on this corner every night in Vegas and live streams, and it's just 6th Street and the Sphere.
Yeah.
And I was writing to you in his live stream. I go, mate, this is what I'm doing. I go, I can't fucking wait. He goes, mate, you're gonna have the best time of fucking life.
Are you gonna go?
Sitting here. Just sitting here, you're gonna have the best.
So you just sit where he is, watch the world go by, and the sphere in the background.
And the Sphere in the background,
Oh,
man,
that's
and
funny.
just constantly changing to all different shit.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a weird one.
Oh yeah, 100% it is. That's all right though. You got to do it, mate. You got to experience everything in life. Experience everything that life has to offer.
Well, if you can, try to.
100%. 100%. That's funny, man. Yeah, they'll yeah, I reckon they'll fuck you up a bit.
Yeah, see how we go. The silver is money, right? So that's always there for life. Different than Bitcoin and FRP, right? It could disappear one day, isn't it? You never.
Come on, what time is it? Hopefully we get that push in the 10:20 to 10:30 candle. We usually do get a decent move then. If we don't get anything within the next 10 minutes, yeah, if we don't get any moves by 10:30, I'll leave it and just do what I usually do. I'll leave both positions open. But I do only usually leave them open for about 2 to 3 hours. If we don't hit them within about, so just say, if we get up at 10:30, I'll probably leave the positions open to around 1 o'clock. And if they don't hit, then there's not enough volume in the market. We're consolidating. There's a more probable chance of getting stopped out. So I'll close them off. I'll close them off by about 1 p.m. So leave it, mate.
See how all that goes, and then see how you feel in the afternoon. If you want to jump on UK, just put a post out.
Yep. Yeah, I will. It'll be last. It'll be last minute. It might be.
Last minute.
If I decide to do it, it'll be like I'll send a post out like I don't know, half an hour before or something.
Yeah, I was gonna say 20 minutes or so.
Yeah, give people time to get organised and jump on. But we'll see how we go. But yeah, the London session's been smashing it lately, man. Like it's been doing really well. It's been killing it. So we'll work it out. When we jump off today, I'm going to call you and answer because I need to chat to you about a few things.
Yeah, sweet.
All right, 10:20. If we don't get too much movement, yeah, like I said, we'll wait for the 10:30 candle open, and if that thing doesn't just push, then yeah, we'll make up our decision from there what we're going to do. I mean, it's not too bad. I've you know, there's some guys out there who stream and they're on there for like 2-3 hours.
Oh yeah, there's dudes sit there half the day.
Yeah, and they'll just sit there all day for hours and hours. I couldn't think of anything worse, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I know.
When you first starting out, yeah, when you're first starting out, it's good. It's fun. Like, you know, I used to stare at the.
No, it is 100%.
I used to do like, man, easily, honestly, and this is no bullshit. This is like legit. I would stare at charts, because we had the abseiling company and everything. I had the freedom to be able to do it, but I would literally stare at the charts for like 10 to 15 hours a day, 7 days a week. No bullshit. Like literally, that's all I'd done. Stare and just look at the 1 minute, just stare at the candles, watch how they move, watch how they react. 5 minute, yeah, done that for like good 12 months, I reckon, probably even longer. And now I couldn't think of anything worse. Now, like, fuck that. But it's good to do. It's good to do when you're first learning, man. Very good to do when you're first learning. Get a really good understanding of price action. We had Sam make a guest appearance last night.
Did he?
Yeah. I think he was driving. He couldn't actually chuck a trade on, but he jumped on anyway just to see what happened. He was trying to, but for some reason his phone didn't have reception, so he had to get on Gabby's phone and he wasn't able to place a trade. But we had RV on, one of the guys in the group who cleaned up, mate. He done well, made some profits. So
was he wrapped?
Yeah, he was wrapped, man. Yeah, he was wrapped. Yeah. Really doesn't want to break here. If we break through this level here that it's consolidating on here, we should be okay. We should be good to continue down if it can close below that. See how it's like here, it's now created this new level. It's tapped in.
Yeah.
So if we can break through that. It's always hard when there's not that much volume in the market, because that's what we rely on that. We rely on the volume. So when there's not much volume, it makes it a little bit harder. All right. Looks like it wants to break that level, which is good. So hopefully we can continue that bearish momentum now that it's closed below that level. Would be nice. Would be fantastic.
Okay.
Keep pushing.
Okay.
Come on. All right. Break below there would be nice. Then we should be on. See, it's reacting off that level now perfectly. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
If we can break it, even better. But we do have it's a bit tight because we do have these levels here, and we got this level here too. So there's a lot there for it to react off for a potential fake out, but we don't let that scare us off, mate. We just go for it. All right, 2 more minutes, 2.5 minutes of this candle closes, and we get that 10:30 candle. So hopefully we can get a decent push on that. Hopefully this one does not enter us. The ideal scenario now would be for this to react off this level, this candle to react off this level and not close below it, and then the next candle open up and push. That would be the ideal scenario. 2 more minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Come on. Come on. See what this next 1 minute candle does. We got 2 seconds. What's it going to do? Not bad. It's very bearish. Very bearish. It's not enough volume. Not enough volume to push it. I'll tell you what, man. This winter has been pretty disgusting. It's made me want to move to another country.
Shit.
Freezing, bro. Oh.
Sick of it, man. You know, I've always loved winters, but all
Yeah.
of a sudden, can't stand winter.
Yeah, too cold, man. Too cold.
Can't do fucking shit.
All right, the 10:30 candle. Let's see what this one does. If this one doesn't enter us, if we don't enter on this candle, then we'll leave it. We'll leave it. To be honest, man, if we don't enter on this candle, I might even call it a no trade day because there's just not enough volume. It's just not moving.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I might even just close the positions off and call it a no trade that day, and then see where I'm at later on. We may go live for the UK 100 on the London session. All depends what this next candle does, how this 5-minute candle closes.
Doing so well the day before, you know what I mean? Sometimes it's worth just
Just step it out.
not trading some days on a situation. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, we're in. There you go. The charts had other plans for us. Okay, we are in, man. We are in. I'm not too happy about it because there's not much volume, but whatever. We're here now. Let's see how we go. If we do get stopped out on this, I'm not going to bother leaving the other position open today. I'll close it off and just take it as a loss, and then potentially come back at the London session and see how we go. But yeah, I won't. I'll close. If we get faked out on here, I'm going to close that other position off and just take the loss for today. We had a really good day yesterday, so no point in getting greedy. Ideally, we don't. Ideally, this thing just keeps moving, but see what happens. So slow today, man. What did it do yesterday? Was it slow? I don't think it was too bad, was it? No. No, within 15 minutes. Entered, TP1, retraced, and then continued down. That's what we want. We want days like that. We want to be within the first 15 minutes. We want to be in and out of that trade, ideally. Means there's good volume. It's a shame because now we have to, now we're in this trade. We kind of have to sit here now and see how it's going to play out.
Yeah, I know.
TP1 would be nice. Let's break through. We could retrace. If it does, we could retrace to that level there and get a reaction off that line, off that imbalance there, potentially. Otherwise, the next one's not up until there. Right, the next 1 minute candle opens up soon. Hopefully, it can continue down. Come on, come on, come on, keep on pushing. Doom, doom, doom. Push, 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 push. 20 seconds. Come on. What are you going to do? Which way are you going? You going up? You going down? What's happening? What are you going to do? Don't like that close, but you never know. You never know. So slow, man. Let's go. Just continue down. Tell you what, man, if I was into playing video games, I'd probably be sitting here playing Grand Theft Auto or something while this was happening. on the other screen.
Probably a good thing to do. I mean,
maybe we'll start doing that. Maybe I'll connect Grand Theft Auto up to the screen and we'll have two screens going and we'll play on one. Hey?
Yes.
What do you reckon?
Something, yeah.
Maybe you should do that. You've got it. Maybe you can like share your screen and we have two screens going and you can just play Grand Theft Auto while we're sitting here watching this happen.
Fucking, that might be a good fucking idea.
Yeah, I think we should do that, man. We'll try and work out how to do it on your on your end.
Bit of entertainment.
At least it'll be give us something cool to watch. Run around shooting people, running them over. Yeah, let's do that. Actually, oh, but you're leaving Monday. Damn it.
Leaving Monday, man, but all good.
Oh, well, when you get back, let's think about doing that for these slow days. Something entertaining to watch.
Now, mate, I'm asleep.
Tired, man. I'm tired. You know what I'm going to do, actually? I'll show you this. No, that's all right. I won't. I'll hold off on it. So we're acting off this zone here. This level. Come on. Oh, it wants to get there. It wants to stop us out. Close. Very close. Very close. We've filled that level now, so if we can break below here, we should be okay. If it doesn't, it's going to stop us out. Then we've got that imbalance there to react off. The retracement from here would be divine. I'll tell you what though, man, in this next minute, if we don't, in this last minute candle, I'm just going to jump off, I think, and we'll just let it play out the way it's going to play out and come back on Monday and see what happened. I'll put something in the chat. I'll put something in the Discord if this trade goes through or not.
Right. Oh, yeah. Sweet.
I'm not going to sit here. I don't want to sit here for another 40 minutes just waiting to see what happens.
No,
so we'll just wait.
I'm going to get moving anyway.
Yeah, sweet, bro. We'll wait for this last 30 seconds. See how the next one opens. You jump off if you want, man. I'll answer my call though. Yeah, I'm going to buzz you soon.
Yeah. Call me pretty quick if you can. I will. We'll see how we go for UK and stuff. If we don't do it tonight, I'll see everyone in the morning Monday.
Cool. All right, dude. See ya.
Right, so, no. All right, catch you later.
See ya, man. Bye. All right, 5 more seconds. I just want to see how this next candle opens. If it opens and stops us out straight away, cool, is what it is. If it continues down, I'm not going to sit here and watch this all day. Yeah, all right, there's not much volume, man. There's not much volume in the market, guys. So I'm just going to leave it. I've got the stop loss. We're in this position now. So we'll come back and see Monday how this position plays out. It's not looking too good, though. Yep. I'm going to close the buy position off. If we do get stopped out today, I'm calling it a loss for today. I'm not going to bother re-entering. And hasn't quite got me yet, but it will any second now. So our stop loss is always a little bit higher than where it is on screen because we allow for spreads. So we're sitting around here at the moment where that crosshair is. It's approximately there where our stop loss is. So if we hit that, we're out. I'm going to leave it, guys. I'm going to leave it. There's no point in sitting here all day. I'll let you know about London's session. I'll put a post up if we are going to go live. I'll put a post up and let you guys know about half an hour before the session. If you don't hear from me, have a good weekend, and we'll come back Monday. See you later.